Welcome to this video that covers enhancements to the APS NZ TAX software in the January 2019 release. In the 901 Ledger Management area, we've made a change to the Ledger Balances page to display the information more clearly. In the initial release in August 2018, we had a Payments Offset column that was used to calculate both the provisional balance and the writ balance columns. For this release, we now have two columns. We have the Prov Offsets column over here, and on this side we also have the Writ Offsets column. This makes it both easier to see the calculation and removes the question of writ payments being allocated against the provisional balance. As a recap, in the Ledger Balances screen we either see the provisional figures in bold or the writ figures in bold, and this is dependent on the return status. When the return is inactive or WIP, then this is the Prov information that we are interested in, and so is in bold. And once the return's been synchronized and locked, so we have a reliable writ figure, then the writ information is key and becomes bold. If we look at this top line as an example, so the provisional amount due was 60,356. We've got Prov offsets of that figure, leaving a provisional balance of 0. We can then see we've got a writ figure of 70,000. There's offsets there of 65,356 and a writ balance of 4644. So we'll just have a look at that in the ledger. As you can see, there's been a payment of $5,000 made against the terminal tax. So the payments made against provisionals plus that $5,000 against the terminal tax gives us the new writ offsets figure. Also in Ledger Balances, in the email body templates, we have updated and improved some of the merge fields available. This improves the quality and availability of the data when creating or editing email templates. So if I just drop the insert fields here, the first one is the client sort name. That's now available for inclusion. The current date, the format's been improved to show the full month. We've also made improvements to salutation, and we've added provisional original due amount and the student loan original due amount for inclusion. The Prov payments, the sign's now been corrected so that the value is shown in parenthesis. In the refund distribution screen, when allocating a refund to another taxpayer, we've now introduced a full range of tax types you can transfer to. So Inc. is still the default, with FAM, rebates and student loan coming beneath those because they're the most common, and then after that all the other types are in alphabetical order. A small change in the Tax Manager selection screen is that we now default the tax year selection to be the latest tax year with a valid return. So I'll just demonstrate that. If I just pick this client, 2017 has a valid return, so it defaults to that rather than defaulting to the 2018 year as it would have done previously. And the reason for this is to remove the inconvenience of the Create Matter option when using the future final year matter setup. Thank you for taking time to view this video.